Hey everyone, Carl here. If you enjoy my YouTube lessons, I invite you to check out my brand new GL365 Academy. Your subscription to the Academy supports all of my YouTube lessons and gives you full access to all of my systematic guitar courses covering many different styles. Now, when I say systematic, it means that I have designed these courses to be almost an entire online guitar school that really builds musicianship skills from the ground up. Whatever style you play, you could probably find that category in the Academy, with many new lessons added to the Academy every single week. As an Academy member, you get full unlimited email support from me, access to all the live chat events that are just for Academy members, and you get full access to every lesson, every category in the Academy. There are multiple membership options depending on the level of support that you need, including the Premium Plus subscription that allows you to send me a video question and I'll respond with a custom video guitar lesson. I've added a lot of cool features to the website recently, including the ability to bookmark your favorite lessons so you can pick up quickly where you left off. And coming in early summer 2018, the GuitarLessons365 app, so you can take the Academy anywhere you go. So click the link below to check out all the Academy lessons and the different subscription options and support all of these YouTube lessons and my new Academy with your subscription. Thanks so much for watching my lessons.